thank you. An Indianapolis grandmother is now charged with criminal confinement in connection to the death of her granddaughter. She's now the third person charged in this case. An autopsy found 5-year-old Kinsley Welty likely died from severe malnutrition. Court documents show she spent much of the last several months of her life in a small closet. Her grandmother, Tammy Halsey, told investigators she knew something was wrong and admitted that she should have done something to get her help. Court documents show she admitted to using duct tape to keep Kinsley from getting out of bed. The Marion County prosecutor says the adults in Kinsley's life let her down, and everyone has a duty to report wrongdoing.
Instead of someone taking a step back and helping out Kinsley and taking her out of that situation, instead we have another allegation that one of the adults that was in Kinsley's life not only let her down, but we are alleging engaged in criminal confinement.
Kinsley's mother, Toni McClure, is already charged with murder in this case. Her boyfriend, Ryan Smith, is charged with neglect and criminal confinement. Meanwhile, local officials and even family members of 5-year-old Kinsley Welty have been sharing concerns about how DCS handled the case ever since she died last Tuesday. And now we're hearing from state lawmakers who believe a new law signed just a couple weeks ago could keep this from happening in the future. Fox 59's Michael Van Scoik explains it all.
Safety was not prioritized in this case.
State Representative Julie McGuire wrote the new law before she even knew the name Kinsley Welty. But after learning of the 5-year-old's tragic death, she says it's more important now than ever that it exists.
It's so disheartening that it takes the death of a young child for the alarms to be raised again here in Marion County and across the state.
The new law includes several circumstances where the Department of Child Services or courts can terminate parental rights, something McGuire says has been unclear in the past.
We want parents to understand where the lines are, where are the lines you can't cross.
The new law puts together a new list of scenarios where a parent can lose custody of their child and when child services are necessary, including situations where parents have not been compliant with court orders after losing custody or failing to complete treatment after struggling with drug or alcohol abuse.
So I think this gives the DCS attorneys more tools, more ability to file for termination of parental rights when we have a child that's in danger.
In 2018, Kinsley's mother, Toni McClure, was arrested for child neglect. Her children were taken away and cared for by foster parents and relatives before ending up back with Toni. Now, Kinsley's mother, grandmother, and her mother's boyfriend are facing charges in the circumstances that resulted in her horrific death. Marion County prosecutor Ryan Mears says these three continue to let Kinsley down after that 2018 incident.
Instead of coming up with solutions to hopefully try to help this child and try to make life more comfortable or better, what we are alleging is that things got worse.
Representative McGuire says she hopes her new law will prevent similar tragedies from happening in the future.
We cannot let this happen over and over again.
In Marion County, Michael Van Scoik, Fox 59 News.
Michael, thank you. We'll have more details about this law on our website, fox59.com, if you'd like to learn more. Meanwhile, Kinsley's family says they'll be holding a rally at the State House Sunday at 2 p.m. demanding justice for Kinsley.